coconuts?
It's not really. It's palm.
Not coconuts?
No. Oh yeah, this one. Ooh, this is awesome. I can really. Oh, there's water. This is very refreshing here. Welcome to Tibiao Auditorium, Tibiao Plaza. So nice. Remember last time? Yeah, it's here. Yeah. Hey, so nice, eh? It's awesome. That's Dr. Ceresal. Dr. Ceresal.
Where's the
The what?
where's
The plaza at the municipality.
where's where they all park for driving?
There. The other side. Market. There. The other side. This is awesome. So that's the municipal hall. And then that one is the police station. Do you want to visit the police station? So this is the Tibiao police station, and then this is the plaza, and this is the municipal hall, and the ATM card is just beside. It's a swan, it's so nice. This is the basketball court, this is the plaza. It's awesome. Starting to rain now. No. Going home. Let's walk to 7-Eleven. How far is 7-Eleven? How far? 100 meters? Yes, just there. Okay. Oh, there's a closer laundry here. Then I just walk here.
We didn't go?
Yeah.
We did not go?
It's closed. Yeah, we didn't. I think it's new.
Where did we go?
Before the bridge. Oh, there's a closer one. La Lava. La Lava, sweetie. La Lava. Bank. 7-Eleven.